How are we doing, guys? Welcome to Trade Confident. Man, the markets are going up. I've got people emailing me, friends asking, Travis, is this the top? Well, let me start with this, guys. I wouldn't doubt if Bitcoin, let me say this again, different way. If Bitcoin goes straight to 50,000, I wouldn't be surprised. If Bitcoin goes to straight to 50,000, I would not be surprised. I'm going to show you guys some evidence in here of why I think that. Could we get a pullback? Yes. A classic break and retest formation and then a pump is something that can always happen. But let me dive in here and show you guys the metrics today that we have over here on our website, and then I'll show you guys some things that I'm seeing with the dominance charts. So guys, let's dive into this. We are currently sitting at 102 for 102 wins on the Telegram channel. This is based off the program that we're using. In the second half of this video, I'll show you guys how to get into the Telegram channel, all of that, get into our metrics, as well as tell you guys about this. Our membership is actually going to be going up in price. So if you guys want all the metrics you're going to see today, everything over here on the right-hand side is part of our membership. It's only $49 a month, and we are going to be upping it to $95 a month in literally, guys, 21 days, February 25th. So don't miss that. All right, guys, let's dive into the analysis. Let's go deep on this video, and let's see what we can find. I want to start over here. You guys know I talk about this all the time. The trend dashboard. When the trend dashboard is all green, this tells me all retail trader indicators are bullish, and they are doing what, guys? They are looking to buy. They are feeling the emotions of FOMO right now, and they're saying, man, the market's going up without me. I must enter money into the market. That's what you guys are seeing happening right now. This is also I believe, it's an aftermath of a short trade squeeze that I've been talking to you guys about. A lot of people look to go short right here. People who went short are now having their stop losses get hit, and they're having to cover their losses. Short traders, okay, follow me. Short traders getting their stop losses hit, having to cover their losses, and they're going long, as well as long traders are going long anyways right now, okay? We're currently sitting in a trade here. We had a buy limit go off. This is for our members. I'm personally not in Bitcoin. I want to make that very clear, but it's part of the coins that we trade. I'm in literally every other coin possible that we have here except for Bitcoin and VeChain, because VeChain you can't trade on Coinbase. Maybe someday you can, but at the moment you can't. The account's doing very well. We have actually grown about $3,500 today alone. $3,500 just today with this pump, because all altcoins are going up with it. Okay, let's move down here to the price versus the money flow and the trend exhaustion. These indicators are in the description. The way I use these is to gauge and tell me, is the flow of money over here on the 4-hour time frame, the money flow, is it exhausted from going up? Is it overextended, or are we due for more money to flow into the market? At the moment, we are sitting very high here, as well as the trend exhaustion is very high. Well, what do we see here? If we look in the past for the last time the trend exhaustion was this high and the money flow was this high, this is where we saw a drop back down in price. So this is why I'm telling you guys clearly, I am expecting to see a move back down here, but I wouldn't doubt if it's just simply a break, a retest, and then we actually just keep going up to $50,000. Okay, there's a lot of signs in here that can show that. You guys want me to go even deeper on this? Watch this. Let's pull out the dominance of Bitcoin. I'll show you guys exactly where money is moving right now. You guys are gonna be like, oh my gosh, it's finally happening. Yeah, guys, there are some signs over here. Wait till we get to the metrics over here. I'm gonna show you guys some signs over here that are very bullish. Honestly, I saw this coming actually back here at the bottom. So we injected $49,000 was exactly what we injected. We injected $49,000 into the crypto market right back here on this dip, and we are holding positions right now that are up over 20%. Okay, this has been a lot of fun. I'll teach you guys how to trade with us if you're following this channel. Okay, here's what I want to show you guys. What are you observing down here on the bottom side here? In the orange is the crypto cap of Bitcoin. All right. The crypto cap of Bitcoin is obviously going up here. We see this spike. Do you guys all see that? Okay. This is good. Even when we started dipping down here in price structure, what we saw with Bitcoin market cap over here is it actually went up. Not something that usually happens. Usually when the price of Bitcoin is going down, you're in a bear market, you see people take their money out of Bitcoin and actually transition into stable coins like USDC to do what? Place it in their wallets or simply put it in a staking program. Okay. What's been happening lately is people are actually buying this dip on Bitcoin. And on top of that, let me take Bitcoin away because we know people are obviously buying that now with a spike here. What is also very bullish, and this is a precursor to bull runs that happen in the market, is that you see USDT moving out. This also is correlated to USDT and USDC, okay? We're looking at USDC right now at the moment. When money comes out of stablecoins, guys, there's only one reason for that. It's to get money into the market to buy up crypto because people believe there's more money to be made in crypto than there is keeping their stable coins in their wallets or in staking. Okay, so let me take this off. This is a very bullish sign, guys. The more this dips out here, the more we're probably going to see Bitcoin jump up here. All right, let's transition over to the metrics. We're not going to stop. Let's just keep going. The emotional index right now for Bitcoin, this was updated 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time this morning, and these charts are going to update every single day at 8 a.m. Okay, we sat into the neutral section. Very nice, because last time we pushed up into the excited area, I showed you guys wells and institutions were shorting that. They made some money on the downside, but this may have actually trapped some institutions, which is why the price went up so fast, because they switched their trades from shorts to longs. Does that make sense? Okay, guys. Now, as this starts moving up here, what I'm watching for is the actual emotional index to push back into excited, and then this is where we need to be careful. The last time we got up here like this, we ended up seeing a nice bull run. People thought we were out of the woods, and then we started crashing back down here. So make sure you're watching that. Let's move down. Long versus short trades on the blockchain for Bitfinex. We are seeing that short trades this last day actually moved down here, and then long trades actually moved up. You guys can see this right here if you're looking at this. Short trades moved down, long trades moved up. This is a bullish sign as a precursor to the pump move up here, okay? Please watch these two indicators, guys. They're in the description. Watch this carefully. This is a sign for a move back down. I'm being very honest about that, guys. I'm not just coming here just to say, hey, we're going straight to 50,000. I do believe 50,000 is where we can head with this uptrend, but I do think we're going to get a pullback here soon to basically have a nice higher low formation. Let's continue. Trades in favor over here. Trades in favor. The blue metric line is the trade sentiment, guys. We are still down into this neutral and closer to this good long trade area than shorts. This is still a time, in my opinion, absolutely. I know we broke the descending resistance that we've been, holding for like almost an entire month. Guys, this is still a bullish time to get into a trade, and I'm going to show you how to do that just in like 30 seconds here. Well, in institutional smart money, look at this, guys. You understood that when the price dropped over here and people were freaking out, this is where we injected $50,000 into the market, because I saw this. We saw an incredible metric value of long trades coming out. Guys, come on. Like, isn't this exciting? You have the tools to literally make money now of like by yourself. Like, get these metrics on your side. It's in the description, guys. I get jacked about this sometimes because I'm like, look, like I'm over here experiencing all the obviously the profits over here because I got a lot of you guys into this that are following us on Telegram when we entered into these markets, guys. I saw this. I was like, man, all of this acquisition of long trades can mean only one thing. We got to start moving back up here. Now look at this. Short trades came out right here. Where was that? Right here, and they made their money already, or they either got trapped. But it's been moving drastically back here, closer to what? Closer to long trades. This shows a weakening of short trades in the market, which is another, excuse me, it's another sign here that we are simply just going to possibly just keep moving up here, guys, because short trades are getting out of the way. So watch that metric over the weekend. Okay, support and resistance prices. I'm just excited today. It's a good Friday. All right, as we move up here, the resistance I'm looking at is going to be right around this chunk here. It's around $43,000. So let's take a look at 43, right at this resistance here. So can we head up to 43,000 over the weekend? Yes, I do think that's possible. I think it's probably going to be about an 8 to 10% move that we're going to see. But I wouldn't doubt if over the weekend we start seeing a really, excitement of a bull rally come into the market, we could pump up to $50,000. It's going to take a lot. Let me preface this. It's going to take a lot to get to 50,000, but I've seen it happen before. You have seen it happen before if you've been around since 2016. Okay, so that's not impossible. By next week to hit a $50,000, absolutely possible. Let's move down here. Dollar cost average entries. If you guys are holding, you guys put, let's say $1,000 into each green line. Great job. You're doing well. The market's going up and you're making money. Exit points in the market. Once this starts moving back up here, guys, we need to be watching for this exit point. Last time we saw this, we ended up seeing the move back down. We saw the move down here, and it called these drops very well. So let's keep an eye out for that. Last metric here, and then we're going to actually get into trade setup so you guys can make some money on this. How about that? In the video with making money on a Friday. So the death cross here, this is still showing us the 50 moving average, which is in green, and then the 200 moving average, which is in red. This is showing us that the 50 is below the 200-day moving average. This is a death cross. When the 50 is above the 200-day moving average, this is what is called a golden cross, okay? You need to understand that because we are actually starting to look like we're trying to come out of this death cross right now, and this descending resistance line that was just broken, guys, is the biggest sign that the market is going to turn around and we are going to start seeing pumps. This is the first precursor we needed to have. I told you guys to watch. We needed to have a trap of short trades, and then that's when the explosion can happen. This is a perfect storm, guys, for crypto to start moving up. So let's talk about this real quick, and I'll show you guys how to get into our membership here in a second. Here you guys go. Literally, this was updated this morning, so I want you guys to watch this over the weekend. This is literally our trade setup you can take for Bitcoin right now. Now remember this, I'm only showing you guys Bitcoin. We have 12 different coins you guys can trade right now and look at all the metrics for and make decisions and to get into coins right now. Here's how you guys are going to trade this. Simply choose the amount you want to enter each of our coins with. Let's say it's $1,000, okay? Split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions. It's simply $250. You guys choose the amount, okay? $250 at each of the 4 buy limits in yellow. Look, $250 here, $250 here, $250 here, and $250 here. This is so simple. Next, once your first buy limit is hit, set a sell limit up here for 100% exit. All right? That's all you guys are doing with our membership. I have the buy limits already placed for you guys. Everything is dialed in perfectly at Fibonacci retracements, at support resistance zones, at whole numbers, at quarters theory levels, at bank levels, and bot levels, guys. These are placed in here specifically at zones where we expect to bounce the greatest. That's why we have literally gone on to never lose a crypto trade. The metrics as well as the indicators that are in the description. Okay, guys? Last but not least, make sure you guys are joining us in the Telegram channel. All you guys have to do is sign into Telegram on your phone or your computer first, and then you guys can click right here and get you guys into the Telegram channel, which, by the way, guys, I'll say this. Our MasterClass is going to be free for all the members until February 25th. So let me talk about this right now. Our membership that I showed you guys in the beginning is going up in price February 25th. You have 21 more days. It's going to come and it's going to go, guys. Everybody who gets in now at $49 a month will be grandfathered in for life. For life, guys. That means when this goes up on the 25th to $95 and the website says $95, you will not see an invoice that go up to $95. You will stay at $49 for as long as you want to hold your membership. This is why people are grabbing their membership right now, and you guys need to secure your spot on this. So not only do you guys get access to all the metrics over here into the Telegram channel where I'm taking trades, calling these precursors of these moves up that we saw and why we're entering money in, because we want to make money, and I saw this coming. So everybody who literally traded with us in Telegram, you guys are all in the profit right now. You're getting access to the inner circle as well as the MasterClass access. So let me explain this real quick. The MasterClass access is up here. All of you guys who are in our membership right now, you are going to get access to all of the MasterClass trainings until February 25th, 2022. I still have more coming out, by the way, wink, wink. So there's more coming out. So when they come out and I announce them in the Telegram channel, watch them all when they come out, because February 25th, 2022, we're going to be going over to our paid program for MasterClasses, okay? But I will give all of you guys who are members a discount on that if you want to rewatch it, all right? Also, the Inner Circle Hangout is going to be launched in March, all right? This is where we're going to be doing Zoom calls with you guys, and we're going to assess the markets together on Zoom. This is something we're going to do probably once a month, where we're all going to get together and have a blast. Guys, what you guys get with this membership, I don't mean to turn this into like a marketing video, but seriously, if you want to go to 2022 with a lot of really good wisdom, guys, and a lot of fun, I think you guys are really, really going to enjoy this. So, guys, make sure you sign up. The links are in the description. Last but not least, guys, I want to leave you with this. Tony Robbins said this, and it's always stuck with me. He says, you can accomplish anything you want in life. You can accomplish anything you want in life. All you have to do is find someone who has accomplished it and copy what they are doing. If you guys are brand new to trading and you're like, man, I've never actually won more than 5 trades in a row or 10 trades. We've won actually over 102 trades in a row. I've never lost a crypto trade. It's not to be arrogant or anything like that, but I'm going to teach you guys in the masterclass how to do that. And there's already videos up for you guys to learn that. And then making sure you guys are getting into the membership and the indicators, that's what we're also using to experience this win rate. All right. So all that you guys need is in the description. I do think we could see $50,000 next week for Bitcoin. What we needed was a trapping of short trades, which is what we got here. And we are seeing that USDC is moving out of the wallets and out of staking, and it is moving into the exchanges because that is where money is purchased. That is where coins are purchased, is when you take USDC stablecoins and you move them into the market. That is when the market can pump, and that's what's happening. And I saw that precursor happening on this drop right here. That is why we got in. Those signals that I see like that, that's what I'm going to be calling out in the Telegram channel. So make sure you guys have access to all that. God bless you guys. Have an amazing, amazing weekend. The indicators are in the description. Make sure you guys get those. They're right over here. I know I didn't go over this too much, but literally our bundle pack right now, this is the best thing you guys want to get. It's 82% off. You get all the indicators, the price versus the well money flow, the trend dashboard, the trend exhaustion. All of these you guys get access to, all right? And you get access to all other 9 indicators when you guys get the bundle pack. So really, the 3 that I have on my charts that you guys want to copy and have on your charts, those are great. These are these 3. But for pretty much the same price, go ahead and get the bundle pack right now while it's 82% off, and you guys will be able to get all of them, and you get them for life. They are not a monthly subscription. You get them for life, as well as you get the source codes for them. Based off these indicators, I want you to watch this because we are looking like we are due for a drop back down, at least a higher low formation, maybe for you guys to get some money into the market before we start moving back up. Getting money into the market, guys, here's what I want to do, and I'm going to end right here. All of our trade setups on the front here. If you guys want to get into anything, click on the chart, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and all the buy limits are right here for you guys to get into. If you have questions about our trading strategy, watch the video at the bottom, guys. Everything you need is on this membership, guys. Have a good weekend. I love you guys. God bless you. Have an amazing day, and I will see you guys on the videos on Monday morning. Let's see what happens over this weekend, and everything you need is in the description, and I pinned it to the first comment of this YouTube video. All right. God bless you guys. Bye-bye.